Hey YouTube! So, I'm getting ready to go to Victorville, and I got the new outfit. Hold on, let's see if I can turn this around. Yay! What do you think? Yeah? You don't know? Oh, bummer. But still, I think it's kind of cool. It's a Cheshire cat. So, yeah. I still have not, gotten the comment about, which animal I should do next. So, I wanted to prove to you guys that I have canvas already prepared, so we go out into the studio and, all my crap, my iPad and some junk. So, yeah, here it is. I need an animal to put there. So, please YouTube, tell me, what animal should I do next? Otherwise, I don't know what I'm going to do. I'm going crazy, I can't decide. So, yeah, bye.